Okay, so today in this video we're going to be making curved oak braces. We're showing this video first because we haven't actually got the job finished yet, so that video will be coming later when we're building it all up. Right, it's come to the point where we're going to have to make some braces for the for where the posts come down and meets the top, and they're wanting them curved. So we've got some wood over there and we're going to make it curved. I asked supplier to cut these for me and said no. So we're doing them. So I'm thinking 800 plus. So if I mark that halfway and just do 1.5 inch curve on it, see what this is going to be like. So I'm going to cut a bit of ply first and we'll see how that goes, I think. So if I just bob that in there. Yeah, can you hold that on that corner for me, Tim? Yeah, like that, right on the corner. You got it? Further down. There, yeah,
yeah.
Hold it there, mate, yeah. That's one bit, and then we'll go 6 inch, I think. We'll do them at. Try to go through the peg. 6 inch, and there's a 400 again. And then I want to go 6 inch from here.
Yep.
6 inch. 6 inch from here. And I'll alter this again. I'm making this up as I go along, really. We'll see how it turns out. Yeah, that's good.
Yep.
Right, I'm going to cut that out and we'll see how it looks. So that's it, we've got that roughed out on a piece of ply. Looks pretty good, and then it's gonna be the same, just make the same one, identical ones, and then that'll be that side. Look quite nice that way, innit? Right, let's get it routed out. Clamp it up.
Oh, you going for that on there?
Yeah. Well, that's how we had it last time, isn't it?
Yeah, there, on it there. Stops this end from flicking up, doesn't it?
So we sort of know what we're doing because we've already done one to make sure everything we're going to go right. So we're just going to repeat what we've just done. Break nails in. We'll just tack nails in, Tim. Be alright, yeah. Hammer. Get it out. Oh.
Got one there,
Yeah. So I'm just going to talk over this bit. This bit, I've decided we're going to do it with a router and router it out. So I'm just nailing a piece of wood on there to take the other side of the router so it won't rock about. So now we're just routering it out, and Tim's just blowing all dust out. Normally I come back on myself when I'm routering to clean the hole up, but we're having some problems with the lever that goes up and down. We're coming loose through the vibration. It was causing problems, so you'll see Tim like holding it on and me trying to hold it on as we're going along. So yeah, bit of a problem there. We go, look, he's just holding it on. So we just decided to go one way so we could just blow it all out.
I'm done.
That's it, we've got one side done. So we just pull this off. And then what we're going to do is, I've just got this router here, which is 10mm So we're just going to pull this to the front. A bit more tin.
There.
A little bit more. A mil. Yeah.
Yep.
Does it need to come over my end a bit? A little bit that way.
Yeah, I'll have to check it again then. Good. Yep, on my end.
Yeah.
Yep.
Clamp it. Turn it round.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to set it 10 mil in and we're going to go chase all the way around, then we'll deepen it and cut that middle. This here just keeps coming undone and I can't get that screw ain't come undone to tighten it up. I don't know how I'm going to tighten that up at some point. Slightly annoying, that is. So at this point I've had enough of it coming undone, so we're trying to fix it. I'm just struggling to get a screw out, but do manage it in the end. No, I think I fixed it. Took that off and then turned it off, so oh yeah, that'll hopefully do it.
About there.
Yep. So Tim's just drilled an hole through middle so we can get the router in and start routering it out. And I'm stopping that way because I still haven't got my tenons drawn on. What I should have done really is I should have just drawn them on and gone around the whole lot and saved myself a lot of hassle. But I only had 4 pieces of wood. It's the first time I've done it, so I'm pretty scared of messing up. So we're just taking it a little bit at a time and just seeing how it goes. So that's it. We'll mark as tenons on here, and then we'll cut them out and do others. But first of all, I'm gonna finish them others. So I'll see you in a bit when we've got all 4 done. Then we'll cut these out. Right, so we've got them all cut. 4 of these cut. So what we're gonna do is we need to get these tenons on. So I'm just gonna mark from here, and we're gonna do I'm gonna do 80 in, then 170, and then what I'll do is get my square it up against this line here, draw a line on, then I want to make it 70 sticking out, 70, line it up again, 70, square that up, and that's it. So take all this off, leave that bit on, and then I think we're going to do it with saw. I could set router up onto the side and do this groove, but I don't want to do that, just in case we get it a little bit out, it won't be right. So I'm just going to hand cut this, I think, down here, leaving these in. So I should have it'd have probably been easy if I'd have routed this out, to be fair. Which, that's probably something I'll do next time if I ever make them again. Yeah, so there's one thing that I definitely should have done, because now we've cut this out by hand. I should have, when we're routing around these edges, I should have come to here and round here. But some of that I'll definitely do next time. Just because if we're out with saw, we've done a couple over there, and if you're out with saw, you can get it out. So I've had to put a flush trim bit in and trim it up, so to square it all up. So I should have, next time, I'd definitely come round here with router. So that's it, I've just sat them on. Flush where they're going to go. Worked out alright. Then I'm just going to mark these and we'll cut them in. But it'll be obviously in the centre of it, not at the end. Same with that. Just mark them up. And then they should slot in nicely. So that's it. They're cut out. We will be doing a bit of sanding just to take some of the, can you just see it in light? So we'll just sand edges on it. But that's them in, look, we've pocketed them in as well. So they, that's how it's going. Look quite nice, don't they? Tell you what, I'll flip it other way so you know what it looks like. So yeah, you wanna see this getting built? Tune into the next one. I'll see you later. So that is it. We've got them done and they look pretty good. But yeah, I learnt a lot from this. There's a lot of things that I do differently next time. Next time I did this. So yeah, lots to improve on. But if you've done these sort of things before and you've got any tips for me, put them down in the comments. And yeah, guys, make sure you've subscribed. Give us a like, drop us a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Got a couple of days left building this up, and we'll get the video on, and you'll be able to see the full porch build, which is looking pretty good at the minute. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one, guys. First, because we haven't actually got the job finished.